you're into big, bold flavors, you're gonna love today's video. Today we're making sofrito, baby. Hey, what does sofrito have to do with hummus? We're gonna put the sofrito in the hummus. It's gonna be fantastic. You serve that with some chips, great snack. Little salad on the side, it's a great meal. Sofrito is one of the great seasoning agents in the world. It's Spanish, it's wonderful. This video dedicated to all my Spanish buddies out there, including you. Let's get cooking. Hey, sofrito, very simple. Don't overcomplicate it, okay? Here's what it is. I'm starting with some olive oil, but I'm starting with a little extra olive oil because I need some extra for the hummus. So it's a good 1/4 cup of olive oil. I got one nice size onion, diced up small. That's about 1 cup of diced onion. I have one nice red bell pepper, also about 1 cup, small diced. 3 important things when you're cooking: patience, salt, and pepper. Hey, that reminds me, add a good pinch of salt and a couple of turns on the pepper grinder. Okay, everything's a little soft now. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic chopped, a shake of adobo. I use Goya, use whatever brand you like, adobo seasoning. It's going to be about 1/4 teaspoon. Fire roasted tomatoes, and I use RO TEL, even though it's backwards because that's the way my camera works. RO TEL, R-O-T-E-L. RO TEL diced tomatoes. Hey, you can get it on Amazon if you can't find it in your store. Don't worry, I got the link down below in the description. This is a 10-ounce can. Just add the whole can, just like that. Woo! Put this on a higher fire and let that reduce. And there's your sofrito. Wonderful. And this is going to take another 10 minutes or so. Hey, after you add the tomatoes, it's going to take another 10-15 minutes. You got to be patient. The more patience you add to your cooking, the better your cooking will be. Ooh, what a sofrito. That smells so good. There's no like red tomato sauce left. It's all evaporated. So I take out about half of the sofrito mixture, but without the oil. Let the oil go into the hummus. That's good. I want to keep that separate. I'm going to take the rest of this sofrito with the olive oil and put it aside. I'm going to put this into the hummus. So that's going to be for the hummus, and this is going to be a kind of a garnish. Wonderful. You put the chickpeas in, and you run some cold water on. So just wash the surface dirt off. That's all you're doing. Fill it about a good inch. My rule of thumb is, however many chickpeas I have, double the amount of water. I'm going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda inside. I'm going to put this right in the refrigerator. Going to stay in there overnight. Okay, so the second part of this is cooking the chickpeas. Remember those chickpeas we soaked? Look, I had to put it in more containers. It got so big, it soaked up so much water. Fill that bowl all the way up with water. Now I'm going to agitate these chickpeas. Like that. I fill this with water, nice cold clean water, about 4 inches above the chickpeas. Okay, the fire's on high to start, and I'm going to throw in there 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. About medium, we'll see how it goes, and cook it for an hour and a half. Okay, check this out. Very nice, very soft. I'm going to strain these chickpeas. Now it's time to put this bad boy together. We have the cooked chickpeas. We're going to squeeze one whole lemon. Okay, we're going to need 3/4 cup of tahini. And you can get this on Amazon as well. You know, I'll leave the link below as usual. Very good. Two cloves of garlic. Don't forget that sofrito. That's going to give it all the flavor in the world. And the olive oil is already in there. Okay, so now we have to season this up nicely. We're going to use a little bit of that adobo, about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to use about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And a couple of shots of Tabasco. And that's all I need. Hey, you like it hotter? Add more. You like it milder? Add less. Either way is fine. Add nothing. It's optional. Goya, hey, it's backwards. It's a camera. Goya Sazon. This is Sazon with cilantro and achiote. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Achiote, great color, good flavor. Of course, cilantro, wonderful flavor. This is good stuff. I'm going to use 2 envelopes of this. It comes in envelopes and it comes on Amazon. I'll leave the link. Has a great like red color and a great flavor. Look at that color. Amazing. You know what I'm about to do? Oh yeah. That's really good. You get all that, the tomato and the garlic and the onion. You get it all. It's really good flavor. And then you have a little heat. Don't forget that Tabasco sauce. Wonderful. And the creaminess of the chickpeas kind of rounds it all out. Very delicious. This is going to be exceptional stuff. I'm going to put it in the fridge, really cool it down, and then I'm going to serve it. I think I'm going to serve it. I'm having some people coming over, watch a football game. And whether we win or lose, not going to matter, because the dip is going to be awesome. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so we take about a good 1/2 cup or so of the hummus. And you spread it around so you have a little bit of a well in the middle. Remember the little bit of sofrito we set aside? Take a nice spoonful right in the middle like that. Hey, I have some chips. Wonderful stuff. Enjoy. I'll see you with the next video. Look at that. A perfect bite. Wonderful. I'm going to eat the rest of this. It's terrific.